Right, I just thought I'd do a very quick video on latest generation Jaguar F-Type, because we've done these before, the older models, but we haven't had one of the new ones in for a while, so I thought it'd be quite nice to do a very quick video. So in this particular one, we've just added in the latest generation DR750X LTE with a battery pack, and we've done a bit more of a custom install for the rear camera on this due to the bonded rear. So I just thought I'd just give you a quick resume around this bit of a beast. It's the 5-litre version. So if I'll just start off at the back, and then I can just show you what we've actually achieved on this one because of the bonded rear. So if I just this side's probably better. So we've done a custom bracket here, which then just goes into there rather than being able to mount it on here, because this is all bonded. There's no way, and then there's no gap here for putting a cable. So we've just installed the camera there in an unobtrusive way, which obviously still gives visibility out of the very small window that there is, but it will just give you that extra bit. And then the battery pack, we'll post some pictures up on our Instagram, but that is actually hidden right down into the floor in the boot. And then we've also got obviously the LTE here, very minimal wires going up into the binnacle, which is there. So that's just a sample of the installation that we offer here at TTW Installations on the latest generation Jaguar F-Type.